Our last technique of the foot and ankle is anti-pronation taping. Pronation is when your foot rolls in when you're walking. Many people suffer from this, so this taping can be really good, not only on the sporting field, but in the general population as well. Again, starting with an anchor running down the outside border of the foot. From here, I'm going to apply 4 to 5 strips running from the outside border of the foot, under the foot, and attaching up to the top of the foot. These pieces are going to have about a 50% overlap on each. So starting off from the heel, working up and over, nice and firm, to the top of the foot like so. So depending on the size of one's foot, probably 4 to 5 strips should be fine. That's nice and firm, providing support for the inside of the foot. And now just one more anchor down the outside. And that's your anti-pronation technique.